Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I am working in my art journal, Moleskine journal, and I am going to play with my infusions today. These are powder pigments that I love, and all of them have walnut stain in them. So whatever color they are, they become a little bit vintage and muted actually, which is their feature. You can see the colors I'm using on the screen now while I'm using them. I just put a little bit sprinkled on my pages, and I am just spraying some water for them to activate naturally. However, I'm also using a little bit matte medium on my brush while I am painting my pages to also at the same time seal them. I also have a little bit control over which color goes where, so I generally use matte medium with them. But you can totally water it and let it go wherever they want to go and have a nice watercolory look. I am doing a bit of both at the moment. I have many videos that I used infusions, and if you are interested, I'm going to put it in the cards on the screen and also down below at the description area for you to check out. Since I want to add a little bit more, I just added on the corners and here and there this blue violet storms color. Today I want a simple project with a little bit earthy muted colors. And I am going to contrast these colors with some oranges and yellows with my focal point. That's the plan. Meanwhile, I'm just protecting my spine so that the colors, the water doesn't go through. And I'm just again using some matte medium to seal the last parts of the page. If you use your water spray and let them air dry, I think you will get a very beautiful effect too. Maybe another time I will try to be patient and let them do that. And as you see, I'm sprinkling this or that color here and there until I am happy with it. And I'm just sealing it with my brush using matte medium, so that when I am finished with this, it will be completely sealed and it won't move anymore. I'm going to use a little bit modeling paste and this stencil. This stencil is from Crafters Workshop, if I am not wrong. I quite like it. It's very versatile, but I don't seem to have kept the packaging, so I cannot tell the name unfortunately, but I think they still have it. So if you look at their collection on their website, maybe it will be easy to find. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to use this Tim Holtz die set, wildflowers. I just die cut it already with my Sizzix machine, and I am going to paint them and color them easily using my infusions again. You can see the three colors that I am using to color these beautiful flowers: rustica, golden sands, and the sage. I'm going to sprinkle a bit of each, and I'm going to spray water to activate them, then dip my flowers in it, so it will be very easy for them to color these flowers. But don't forget that since I'm not using matte medium for this, they won't be sealed, so just be careful when you are gluing them or doing something else on top if you are going to. I'll just mix the colors here and there using these three colors so that they look more interesting and more realistic. They will look like dried flowers. This is like a bit of an autumn page, but today in London there is rain and there is no sun. It was a grey day, so maybe I'm inspired by it. No matter what, I really like these colors, and sometimes we just need change. So I'm glad I went for these nice earthy colors. So once they are dry, I'm just going to stick them on my page in one corner. I will do just a bouquet of them and use my glue to stick them easily. And remember, these are not sealed. I could seal them, but I don't feel the need. I just want to glue them from their stems. I will leave the rest free so that they have a little bit dimension and interest on the page. And also I am not planning to do anything on top, so I don't want to bother sealing all of them. I'm just being careful not to play with it so much, so that I'm going to get everywhere these colors. All done, a nice bouquet of dried flowers. And I have this string which is a natural color. I will just put a bow and glue it on these flowers as well, as if they are a bouquet tied together. It will look really nice. And always I like these different materials. That's why we like mixed media to be on my pages, so that there is more interest for the people who are just flipping through and looking through the pages. I'll just cut these ends. And coming to the sentiment, I had this on my side actually as a project of Use Your Stash. It's one of my sticker sets, and I thought the color goes very well with this. It says always remember, but I decided to use this corrugate cardstock as well to put another interest, and so that also my flowers don't seem like they are floating in the air. So I'm just going to glue the cardstock below my flowers and put the sentiment on top. And I have these also flowers which are quite muted colors from 13 Arts. It's a cardstock from them, but I bought it very long time ago. I don't remember where I bought it, how I bought it. And I'm going to just stick these two flowers on the other page for a bit of balance and to match the colors. And finally I'm going to do white splashes because of the modeling paste stenciling, and I decided I will go heavy with the splashes this time to have a lot of movement and pop of color over all these muted colors, and I think it looks really nice. And I'll call it done. I really like it. I love the colors and the simplicity of the page. I think it's kind of elegant. And I love the sentiment because maybe years later we will remember these days that we were bored at home, but we were in contact through our art. As always, if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment or subscribe to my channel and open your notifications. And here is my Instagram page if you want to follow me there as well. And I hope you're all safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.